Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be reviewing Disney's signature collection with Snow White. Now, as you can see, we're looking at the front of the box. We've got Snow White on the cover, as well as Doc and Happy in the lower right corner. Now let's check out the back of the box. It gives you a brief detail of Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Alright, let's open this baby up. This is pretty difficult. Oh. There's one. There's another one. Okay, finally. Here we go. Let's get a better look at that dress. So far, I'm really impressed with the overall quality. Everything is just so well put together. From Snow White's hair to the fabric of her clothes, it just feels and looks authentic. Colors on her dress are just beautiful. Here's a shot of the shoes. Notice the pink bow on top of her head. And just like in the animated movie, she also wears a cape. You know what I really like most of all? The fact that you can bend her elbows. Now, if you're a fan of Disney princess dolls, then I highly recommend this set. If you're a collector, then this is perfect for you as well, since the box the doll comes in works well as a display case. Alright guys, as always, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're so inclined. See you in the next toy video.